So what is it that you procrastinate on? We all procrastinate. कोई कहता है कि जिम कल से जाऊंगा, somebody says मैं sweets कल से छोड़ूंगी, या जब हमें कोई assignment देना है, so till the last day doesn't come, we keep on dragging it. And all these things we know and we ourselves want to do and take up. But when the time comes, we delay it. So why does that happen? Because number one, our body and mind both resist change. So whenever we are in this lifestyle where our bodies and minds are comfortable doing something and we want to move it and make it into a change, it resists that change and it come up with different reasons that why we shouldn't do it. जिम जाना है तो आज बहुत ठंड है, कल से जाएंगे, राइट? असाइनमेंट करना है, आज बहुत थक गए हैं तो कल कर लेंगे. So our mind give us good reasons to justify that why we shouldn't do it, and we buy that. Number two, many a times we delay on the things in which we ourselves are not confident about, and we think that there's something that you are not willing to try, or people might judge you because of that, or they might point you out that you have not done good or you're not good enough in this, and we try not to even start that thing. And the same happened with me when I had to start making the videos, because it was something very new and I hadn't done it before. So when I started it, it was so uncomfortable for me at first, and I resigned and I gave it a stop and halt and didn't go further, because I was actually scared that because of the videos people are going to judge me about my work. And since my videos are not good enough and I haven't made them before, I don't want anybody to judge me on my work based on my videos. And that's how many of the things that we are not confident about ourselves, we keep delaying them. Number three is, many a times we are already stressed out and overwhelmed with some particular thing or work which is in our headspace, like बहुत सारा finance है, या फिर बहुत सारे बच्चों के issues चल रहे हैं, relationship में कुछ issue चल रहा है, and it keeps overwhelming you. And when there is something new that you want to take up in your routine, it becomes a burden. It becomes one more thing in your kitty. And your mind says that I can't handle more, so let me give up for it and handle this at least. And this is when our stress becomes a trigger, and as a consequence, we give up on the things and procrastinate on those things. So the first step here becomes that we identify what is our reason to procrastinate. Do you procrastinate because your body and mind is resisting the change? Or are you procrastinating because you're scared to start something new and you're scared that how will people react to it? Or are you scared that, or are you already stressed out and overwhelmed with so many things, and this new thing is adding one more burden into you? Because once we see and identify, just being awareness of the reason of it gives us the power to move forward. Now, once we've done that, the step two becomes, instead of focusing on the task itself, we can focus on the outcome. So for example, if we have to complete an assignment and it will take a lot of calls to make, some research work to do, and XYZ steps to take, and we do not want, and it becomes overwhelming and we do not want to do so many things. So we start resisting and we start delaying. So instead of focusing on the task A, B, C, D, E, we start to focus on that after our assignment is complete and our proposal is complete, how will it help you? How will it benefit you or your clients or in your revenues? And how will that make you feel? So if there is an emotional substance attached to the outcome that you will get out of doing that work, it will really help you to get started with it, and you would automatically start doing. And the last thing, which is a superstar key to it, is give yourself a challenge of doing that only for 5 minutes. Do that thing that you are delaying on, that you're procrastinating on, saying to yourself and saying to your mind that you'll do only for 5 minutes, and then that's it. And as the research studies and my experience says, that once you start doing it, you will go beyond those 5 minutes. Because many a time, and most of the time, start is the biggest stop. It is the starting struggle which makes us delay so many things. So give that signal to your mind, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go and do it for 5 minutes, and you will see that you will start doing that thing. And I know that these things will really help you to get over your procrastination and get into the action mode. So have a growth-oriented and happy life. Thank you, Deeksha.